All right, hello people. You know what it is. It is Show Up Saturday, and well, today, show up. So, uh, I've posted some videos today and a little comedy post. It's Saturday silliness. So to go with Show Up Saturday, which is well, when you do show up, have some fun, especially in here. Okay. Um, I know. The industry tells you you're supposed to come in here and just kill yourself, and it's gonna be hard, and you're gonna grind it out, and you're gonna be pain and sore, and all right, yeah, because you won't build those. Um, well, no, not really. Not if you want to do it for a lifetime and have it do something for you positively. Because if you come in and you're not having fun, guess what? You're gonna be stressed. And you know what happens to you whenever you get stressed? Stress hormones go up, and you're not gonna have the results that you're looking for because you're stressed out all the time about what you're eating and the exercises and being overstressed while you're in here and maybe doing stuff that you're not made to do. Maybe you're doing powerlifting, but you should be out running, or you're out running and you should be powerlifting, or just the two dichotomies, right? Or you should be doing yoga or not doing yoga, or what. You have this thing you're supposed to be doing that you're built to do, all right? I'm built to grab heavy stuff and lift it a bunch of times, all right? That's just me. I'm not made to run. That's why I don't go run, okay? I'll sprint. I ain't doing that long distance running thing, I'll tell you right now. There's people out there who can do it. You're made to do it, all right? Good for y'all. Go, enjoy. Yes, yes, yes. I do some cardiovascular work for the endurance part, which means I grab stuff and I lift it really, really quickly for a long period of time. Or I'll do extended sets of sprints, or, but go out and just running a couple of miles beats me up, man. Seriously. Bear in mind, I tried doing triathlon training a long time ago, back in my 20s. I've never felt so bad in my entire life after doing that. That is not what I'm made to do. Like, dude, your form is great. Your running looks great. Yeah, but I hurt. Like, not in a good hurt way. I'm talking like my body's falling apart. It wasn't good. So I got back to lifting heavy stuff. I feel so much better. I got no aches, no pains. I'm 42, people. Aches and pains. But here's the point. You should have fun with it. So if you love dancing, go out and dance, all right? Go out and run. Go out and, well, you might not want to do gymnastics. That's his injury right there. But the point is to move, okay? You're not going to get up on stage unless you want to get up on stage, in which case, well, don't really come see me. I can get you mostly prepped for it, but there's other people out there to get you prepped to get up on stage, okay? I can point you in the right direction on that because there's some really good people and there's some really crazy, insane people that will kill your adrenals and everything else while they do it. But go have fun with it. It should be fun coming in and doing this stuff, or going out there and doing that stuff, getting on your bike, paddleboarding, whatever, okay? But realize you need to have a little bit of olive peppered in and try to have as much fun with it as you can when you're there doing it. So for all the runners and walkers and paddleboarders and yoga people and everything else that's out there, you do still need to come in here in this place at least once a week, maybe twice a week, for about 30 minutes to do some actual strength training, because while you're out there doing that stuff, you got a lot of stress being placed on you, and you've got to be able to endure that stress and get past it, okay? And make sure your body stays in alignment and make sure things are working properly. You're not having overuse issues, because if you're doing this for miles and miles and miles and miles on end, you, my friend, are going to have some major overuse issues, all right? It's just like your car. You got to get those tires rotated. You got to get your suspension checked out, okay? That's what you're doing in here, okay? You're rotating those tires and getting your suspension checked and making sure that everything is running right, so you can run right, or walk right, or paddleboard right, or yoga right, or whatever. So the point is, go and have fun with most of it. 80-20 rule, okay? 80% of it should be just fun time, happy time, fun stuff, and then 20% of it is going to be, well, I got to do it so I can have that fun time. Otherwise, that fun time is going to go away, because one, you'll either get injured, or two, you'll burn out, or or something, it'll become less fun, and you just quit. It's usually what burnout is, okay? Or you'll burn out, which means, find something different to do. If you got to run all the time, I don't know, do some boxing. Careful with the boxing, by the way. Shadow box first. Don't start doing that until you're ready to accept that stress back into your body, which means you got to get in here. Okay? Seriously, bags do hit back. They do. Every time you touch that bag, it's pushing. Anyway, it's physics, people. Equal opposite reactions. So, there you go. There's my message for today on Show Up Saturday. Show up and have fun with it. Find things that you can have fun with, that you can do when it comes to movement, okay? And that's it. Just, so I know all the Virgos out there you're having your Virgo month for birthdays. I myself am a Capricorn. If you know anything about Capricorns, we're all work and no play. Unless we play and then we play really, really, really hard, as in we'll take over all the play, because then it turns into our work. It's ridiculous. Anyway, so this message is actually for me as much as for you to have some fun while you're doing stuff, because, well, work, right? I know I'm rabbit trail. Bear with me. There's a video that came out, and it was hilarious. It's about all the different signs and their personalities, and the Capricorn. I'm watching. I'm like, that's not. Oh God, that is me. And everybody else was the same. I'll try to find it and post it at some point. It's hilarious. So there's the point. Have some fun with this stuff. Find the thing that's really, really fun to you. Go do that thing for 80% of the time, and then for 20% of the time, do the things that you need to do to keep on doing that are not so fun, but you'll have a little bit of fun doing them. Usually it's a personality thing, so if you're going to get a trainer, find a personality that has that you have a really good personality thing with, because then it's going to be more fun. And it's also going to take care of you, because if you get the happy fun time guy that just can't take care of you, well, then you're going to have injuries and stuff while you're laughing. And that's not very funny afterwards. So make sure that they're good for you from a body physical standpoint, and that you can have fun with them because you got the nice good personality thing, which makes it fun. All right. So there you go. Show up, have some fun when you do it, and that's it. Because if you have fun, you're gonna keep on showing up, and you'll show up more and more and more, and then who knows, you might find things that you thought were not all that fun start becoming more fun. Okay. So there you go. There's that. Have a great day. Do something good for yourself every day so you can do great things for other people every day. That's why we are here. Take care of yourself. If you want to start getting healthy and everything, because I've been doing a lot of posting for that this fall. Because if you can do it in the fall, you can do it anytime. Seriously, the fall is the toughest time to do it. So anybody that comes in and starts doing it now, hey Joel, how you doing? If you do it now, guess what? If you want to have a 90 to 95% chance of success, because I know you'd love to have a 90 to 95% chance of success in whatever you do, right? Well, then you start now. If you want a 99% chance of failure, wait till January. Let that sink in. 95% chance that you're going to succeed in getting healthy if you do it now. Between September, October, November, December, and actually October, November, December is the sweet spot for that. January, once January 1st rolls around, that 95% chance of success turns into a 99% chance of failure. Just like that. Go ahead, put it on, snap that finger, all right? Do you want that to be a good snap, or do you want that to be a bad snap? Snap it now, good things happen. Snap it then, well, all your chances of success are going to disappear in the wind. Just like having a certain movie. And yeah, no, you can't time travel. You can't do it, so get that right in your head. It ain't happening. You ain't Tony Stark. I'm about as close as you're going to get, because, the hair and face and all that stuff. Anyway, Speaking of, I got some new images coming out. It's more Doctor Strange than Tony Stark, by the way. Which I'm going to start posting here in a little while. So there you go. I know I'm segueing away all over the place right now. I had my workout. I got pumped. It's good. Oh yeah, by the way, for music fans out there, I know. Just keep on listening. I'm just gonna keep on going here. For all my music fans out there, if you have not listened to the new Tool album, wow, it's awesome. I grew up with Tool. I love me some Tool, especially in here, because when you're lifting like heavy stuff, you need heavy stuff so you can lift heavy stuff. My leg workout Thursday was awesome. I'm just gonna put it out there. So for all my music people out there, if you haven't listened to it yet, do it. Do it. Yes, it's amazing. You won't even feel the weights; they'll like lift themselves. It's you'll become one with the force. Anyway, so all right, here you go. I think that's it for me today. I will be back tomorrow for a little Savior House Sunday. I don't know what I'm going to talk about yet, but it'll be something. Join in. We'll have some fun with it. Okay. Oh yeah, check out the post from earlier today, because one of them it's a little sketch art cartoon thing. The other one, Howard's from Dry Bar Comedy. If you haven't checked out Dry Bar Comedy, that page is awesome. And the guy that posted today, he was on America's Got Talent, and the man is just his ability to do voices is it's amazing what he can do from a voice perspective. Man, it's hilarious. Anyway, so there you go. Have a great day. I'll see you people tomorrow. And well, start showing up in here so you can show up looking better everywhere else. Yes, I know. I said it. But that's just how it goes, man. All right. Have a good day. See you later.